Hello and welcome back to the Java course. Have you ever thought about how your code solves math problems or decides what to do next? That's where operators come in, small symbols that tell your code what to do. In this episode, we'll break down what operators are and show you how easy they are to use. What is an operator? An operator is a special symbol in programming that tells the computer to do something like add numbers, compare values, or combine conditions. Java divides operators into several categories: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, bitwise. In this episode, we'll focus on the most common ones. Arithmetic operators used for basic math: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Comparison operators used to compare values. The result is always true or false. These are key for decision making in your code. Logical operators used to combine multiple conditions or reverse a condition. Great for complex decision making. Let's try an example in IntelliJ. Open the project we created together. Open the main class. I'll start by remove our previous codes here. Now let's define two int variables. Data type is int. Variable name is a. Equal value is, for example, 5 and semicolon. Another one. Well, we want to add these variables together and print the result. We use the system.out. Please note here that I can choose between print and println. If I use println, it prints the text and moves the cursor to the next line. But if I use print, it prints the text without moving to a new line. The next output will appear on the same line. This gives you more control over how your program's output looks, especially when formatting things like menus or labels. Here I want to select println. Inside the parentheses, I first write a text message to describe what I'm showing. For example, here I want to show addition, plus, parentheses open and close. Inside the parentheses, a plus b. Let's try a comparison operator to check if a is greater than b. And finally, let's try logical operators to check if both a and b are greater than 0. Okay, let's run it to see the result. Here it is, our result. If we change just one of them, the result will be different, like this, and run again. You will see the different result here. Yeah, that's it for today. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. You can find all the course materials on my GitHub. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support is appreciated. See you in the next episode.